Ray is going to have to ride his socks off with those injuries if he wants to keep third in the championship. And there's a fair bit of long
Yes.
And they reach confirmed the clear. 9 wins. Okay, we're down here with the top 3, and it's Alex Checker in third place. Fantastic follow-up. And what a gift from the final chicane to get that third place. Yeah, a lot of thanks to Leon, who said just a few minutes now. And yeah, it was a nice fighting race. I thought I can be in the podium. I think much faster than Leon, having been both in that group, but I thought it was going to be difficult. But after I see the fighting, Leon and Max, I see Max open the line, back to the corner, and I thought, oh, this is my opportunity, and I have better drive, better exit, and I get the third position.